Hi there. Today I'd like to show you how I've saved a very strategic employee at a client company 1.5 hours per week on a very specific task. So what the task is being able to send templated reports to each one of their sales reps every week. That number might change. Currently there's 37, maybe next week there's 50. And each of these people need to essentially get their specific sales data for the week. This kind of thing could potentially be done on a dashboard, but these are freelance employees, so they didn't want to sign up every new account every time someone comes in. And it's also people who just didn't want another piece of tech, another something they had to get. They just wanted to get their Gmail or their sheets, Excel sheet emailed to them once a week. That's all they wanted. So I built a very nice automation that automates that whole process with just a single click. And I'm going to show you that right now. So the automation is going to look at this file over here, all 730 rows, filter for each, and then paste that into the template over here. And then this template is going to be saved as for each person. And then that's going to be emailed out automatically to each person based on the email address that we have over here. These are obviously all demo emails. And that's it. And that whole process normally takes about an hour and a half. It's going to take hopefully about 7 minutes. So let's give it a go. This is in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. And what we're going to do is give this a go here. It's going to run picture in picture, allowing me then just to carry on doing what I'm doing. I'll show you the picture in picture. Here it is. And this is where the program is essentially going to be running as if it was me. And it's just going to go and carry on in the background doing what it needs to. This is the flow getting started. So the first thing is to get Outlook started. Just that sits in the background. And then after that, you can see Excel getting started there as well. Focuses that. So this is Emily Carter's. Copies that, pastes her details into the templated Excel. Give it a sec. There it goes. Refreshes that data because we've got pivots and charts for each person there as well, just to make sure that their data is updated there. And then it goes into Outlook and sends that email off. So let's just quickly check how the process is going. If I go in here, let's check. There's Emily Carter's first email. Okay, we've got Olivia Hughes, John Anderson's. And let's actually see if we can have a look at Emily Carter's here. This is just in Sheets. We've got data, we've got pivots, we've got a chart. I think if we actually download and open this with Excel, that will be better. But I can just go in here and we can see this is all hooking up through on OneDrive. So I should have all their details here. Let's see Emily Carter's. I'll actually just open this up in Excel on my side here. And because Power Automate's running in its own little window, view only, it's not going to interrupt anything. So you can check Emily Carter's over here, 11. And if you need to, you can just do a quick refresh just to make sure that's all valid. And then each of the charts will be coming up for every person there. So these are within the template, and each person would have been getting their own separate document. You can see we've got another one coming in here. So let's have a look at Isabella Wilson's. Looks like she only had the one. Let's check Olivia Hughes, and you can see these all being updated on the fly to Drive. So it looks like Olivia Hughes had 4 subscriptions that she was able to get, and those counts are showing there as well. And these are also obviously connected to the pivots. So I think I'm going to pause and we can see when the last one is created. Okay, let's check. We have now got 37 items in here. 37 items. Day created. First one is at 4:30. Okay, so 10 minutes. There you go. So 10 minutes and 37 are being created. And we can just go and check here. And those are all the emails that I've received to my dummy account. Obviously, these would be sent to each person's account. But yeah, pretty powerful stuff what you can do with automation. So let me know what you'd like to automate for your company. Ciao.